Hello, you nature files. We're here at the start of the Larkspur Trail and we're doing the pipeline via Eddie's Lookout Loop in Heathcote National Park. It's the first time checking it out, so come along with me. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So the track splits here and we want to go up that way apparently. Look at these gorgeous torch flowers. We are going that way. So from here it looks like we have a bit of a ladder climb down. So I'm gonna put this camera away and get down safely. So I just climbed down those stairs there. I think that alone would make this track a 5. As you can see, there's a rope coming down the other side. You probably do that way too, but I thought the ladder was easier. Anyways, if you're gonna do it, take care and make sure you are capable of doing it. Let's continue. So we've hit the service road and we want to head that way now. Let's get going. So from here we head to Elbow Pool. I think on the maps it's also marked as Bunya Pool, which should take us across Heathcote Creek to the other side, and we follow that path until it links up with Eddie's Lookout track. Stumbled across this nice little waterfall. Tiny bit of a bonus, so long as you don't need to pee. So I actually took this path down as it was easier to cross the water. But how beautiful is Bunya Pool? So from here you want to head along these and then I believe just up that way and then out. Let's go and find out. Here we are at the top and we're heading this way. So that part of the track was pretty overgrown. I don't think this place gets a lot of maintenance due to the general lack of people visiting. Hopefully we can change that and get you to come out this way and check it out too. those lumps of rocks in the distance. But looks like it's going to be challenging. Wish me luck. This is the view you were greeted with at the top of that climb. While this looks like a path ahead, you actually want to head this way. Obviously some kind of indication to head that way. And now we descend down. So this is Eddie's Lookout. You can see the creek just below, but we're actually heading that way. I mean, also you can't get down from here, so don't try it. So after all that downhill, I find myself down by the creek again, and I believe there's a crossing if I continue that way. After bashing through some thick scrub, you'll find yourself here, and you want to head that way. So we're going to want to head up this crevice and up there. And we're heading down that way. So that was the pipeline loop via Eddie's Lookout track. What did you think? From my point of view, it is definitely one of the more tougher tracks, not too well maintained, and you really have to be good at navigation as there is no signposting really, especially once you cross the creek and get to the other half. Definitely recommend it for more experienced people. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, the track was littered with a ton of wildflowers. Absolutely gorgeous. And it's a relatively short walk, I guess, at 3.4 kilometers apparently. Still, the obstacles and the scrambling as well as the wayfinding makes it more towards the difficult end. Anyways, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.